Hi Robert, this is your developer with L7 Creative, and this is going to be a demo on how to log into your WordPress site and navigate some of the pages and the theme so that you can update some of your business details. Additionally, I want to add a disclaimer that some of these things that you can do inside your WordPress site, since it is a live site, are irreversible. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact us with any of your questions you may have. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. First, we're gonna open a tab and we're gonna log in. It's going to be your website name /login. Your username and password. I had to change your password so that I could make this video, so I will be providing that within the ticket that we send you. We're going to go ahead and log in. Sure, you've already done this part before. Just double checking and make sure everything's super clear. Okay, so as you can see here, this is your sidebar, and these are the various things that you'll be working with in WordPress. However, the main things we're going to be working with today are going to be within pages and within the widgets, as we are going to be updating some of your business contact details. So we're going to go ahead and open these up in new tabs, pages and widgets. The widgets are basically all the details that are on your footer. So if we move this over here so we can see a better view, and we scroll down all the way down to your footer, these are the widgets, and this is the page, or I'm sorry, the backside of where you can edit those widgets in. So if I open these up here, footer area 1, footer area 2, this I can tell is footer area 1, footer area 2, and so on. Okay, so we're going to be working with these contact details here on this widget specifically, because one thing I noticed is this number does not have a link to click. I want your end user to be able to click this link and open it up on their phone immediately so that they can call you. So we're going to go ahead and change that, and by doing that, I'm going to take this and we're going to go into our widgets, in appearance, widgets. We're going to go to footer area 2, and we're going to open up this little text tab, and then we're just going to add a little bit of HTML code. This is nothing too crazy, and if you have any questions, please let us know. There is documentation for this online if you do some simple Google searches. However, we're going to try our best to get it set up for you so that you only have to make the change once. Okay, so basically what I did here is I added a link with a simple A tag linking to your number, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. We're going to go back to the front end of the site and refresh just to make sure our change took effect. And as you can see, the number is now clickable. And if you look in the lower left-hand corner as my mouse hovers, you can tell that it's going to the right place. However, it looks like there's a little bit of alignment issue, which I will fix before the end of this video. The other place where that is common to update contact details or other information is within the pages, which is located right here on the sidebar. And this particular example, we're going to update some stuff on your contact page because similar to your widget page, this number is not linking to anywhere. So we're going to go ahead and make a copy of that. You go to edit page, and I have already opened that up in a new tab. And in here, you'll note this is your theme. So you'll notice the page title, the URL, so on and so forth. This site is for updating the page, and the only thing you really need to worry about is this button and this button. So you can preview your work and update it before you make it go live, because once you make it go live, you can't go back. So we are going to find the section that contains this little bit of information that we want to edit. So we're looking for some things like storefront, address, phone. So I'm going to go in here into the blocks. It looks like it might be this, or actually it looks like it might be this. And so what I found, you'll notice as you hover over things, it'll give you certain options. And I believe this right here is what we want. So we're going to go ahead and click the pencil. I'm going to scroll down and always edit in the text tab, because you know you're getting the most pure HTML. And sometimes things don't copy and paste right in the visual tab. So we're going to go here, and again, I'm going to add the HTML attribute. And we're going to go ahead and save. And let's get in the habit of previewing our work before we make it live. It's going to open up in a new tab. Oops. And there you have it. You notice the color change yellow because the styling of your site tells it to if it's a link. And if you look in the lower left-hand corner, which I can't move my mouse to go down there, but if you see in the lower left-hand corner, you can see it has a link now, linking to your number. And this concludes our demo of how to update some basic things in WordPress. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much.